Well, it'd be warm. Whoa, I haven't seen Millie in forever. All of her hair's like gone.
Yeah, she still gets picked on.
Millie's mean. I've seen her be mean to Clyde.
That's why she's at the bottom of the pecking order.
They seem to be doing good. Back to making furniture. Stand that this was on, if you were wondering. Oh, by the way, I got Pac-Man. I forgot about coffee. Okay, let's speed run this one. This is my grandiose tour on YouTube. After 4 months, comes back to build
IKEA
furniture. Alexa, off. Not too bad, eh? I don't know what time it took here for me to build this, but I'd say pretty good. I think I am ready for regionals to try out my skills. Anywho, just building furniture. That's what I'm up to these days. I don't remember how to do fucking Fortnite dances. But no, it goes like, yeah, there we go. Anyways, got it done. Well, we ain't crack-a-lacking. Is that racist? I hope not. Don't cancel that. Don't cancel on the internet. I just got that. Okay. So I've already put the shelves in here and started putting things on them. Like my TV. I love how symmetrical it looks already. It's pretty sick. Got my Ampharos, favorite Pokemon. Some of my manga that I want to put. I think I'll just leave the Dragon Ball Z there. Other things there. I think I might put clothes there. Okay, fast forward, this is like 9 days later since I was just the last shot. I've been busy, and I edited this video for a little too long, but anywho, yeah, it's been looking good. There's the media that I enjoy, and putting the Dragon Ball Z stuff there. There's the clothes that I wear, and I don't want to show too much because it's getting kind of messy already in here. Anywho, here is a link. No, this is stuff you can follow me on. It's been a while since I said that. And click on this. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.